In a major development for India's fintech and banking sector, the Reserve Bank of India has cancelled the banking license of Paytm Payments Bank Limited with immediate effect, marking one of the strongest regulatory actions taken against a payments bank in the country. In a significant recognition of its digital transformation journey, BEML Limited has been conferred the PSE Excellence Award in the Internet of Things category at the PSE Technology and Innovation Awards 2026 held in Hyderabad. MRPL announced its Q4 FY26 financial results with strong revenue growth. Revenue from operations rose to 28,493 crore rupees, up 3.2% from last year. Profit before tax more than doubled to 1,235 crore rupees, while EBITDA jumped 58% to 1,842 crore rupees. Profit after tax stood at 119 crore rupees and exports was 7,252 crore rupees for the quarter. Bharat Dynamics Limited has achieved a significant milestone in indigenous defense manufacturing with the delivery of production-grade wire-guided heavyweight torpedo to NSTL at its Visakhapatnam unit on Thursday, 23rd April 2026. Bharat Petroleum Corporation Limited has secured platinum and gold awards for excellence in health, safety, security and environment at the 16th Global Safety Awards held at the NDMC Convention Centre in Delhi. HPCL expands its piped natural gas network across key urban areas. The company recently achieved a major milestone by receiving authorization to supply PNG to Uttarayan Society, the largest residential complex in Siliguri, covering approximately 2,700 households. In a major opportunity for young job seekers and students, SJVN Limited has opened applications for 348 paid internships under the Prime Minister Internship Scheme. The last date to apply is April 30th, 2026. Axis Bank Limited's Board of Directors has approved a comprehensive fundraising plan of up to 55,000 crore rupees through debt and equity instruments. The board also recommended a final dividend of 1 rupee per equity share for FY26. Central Coalfields Limited has been recognized by the Capacity Building Commission for its outstanding performance during Mission Karma Yogi Sadhana Saptah 2026, securing a place among the top 10 organizations on the I Got Karma Yogi platform. The Department of Fertilizers confirmed that India's fertilizer supply remains strong, with stocks well above demand. During the Rabi 2025-26 season, availability of key fertilizers like urea, DAP, MOP, NPK and SSP exceeded national requirements, ensuring smooth supply and effective distribution across the country.